Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or we discuss with you Joy app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So the Joy live chat, video chat here, the app is actually engineered entirely around hyper fast and real-time stranger matchmaking. Now, according to its official website and Google Play Store page here, well, the platform boasts over 10,000 million downloads and focuses on dropping you into live chat one-on-one video calls with people from all over the world with just a single tap here. Now, the biggest pro or biggest thing that you may be getting out of this is going to be the reviews. In this case, it's the sheer speed and variety of social connections. Now, users love how lively the platform actually gets. The consistently sharing that it is incredibly easy to jump in and immediately find friend or friendly people who are generally willing to talk and make friends. Now, to make navigating a global user base easier, the app's website highlights built-in real-time text translation, which users say works wonders for breaking down language barriers smoothly made call. Now, people who also give major props here to the built-in safety features, particularly the fact that all random video chats automatically start with a blurring filter. This gives you a safe second to see who you are connected with before the video fully clears up, and your precise location is never fully disclosed. But then again, there are some downsides here that you may want to know. Now, the most dominant complaint from reviewers here across the board is the platform's incredibly strict coin and monetization system. Now, plenty of users on or reviews here express frustration that there is absolutely no free call tier or daily login bonus to accommodate casual chatters. Now, some reviewers here point out that you hit a hard wall almost immediately where you have to buy coin packages for or subscriptions to continue video chatting or to filter matches by gender and location. Now, additionally, some users mentioned they wish there was a clear on-screen timer during calls so they could track their coin usage in real time and avoid getting suddenly disconnected when their balance actually runs dry here. Now, ultimately, if you don't mind spending a bit of in-app coin packs here and for a global reach, well, the active community and instant video chatting or matching makes Joy an incredibly fun and fast way to cure boredom and meet new people. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and share button and watch our next video.